Hello everyone, today we're unboxing the Artsnacks box for April, and with these supplies I'll be drawing the portrait of Sherry, who won the April giveaway. So we start with some watercolor samples, watercolor paper samples. And there's 3 of them. Nice. Smarties, my favorite. Oh, that's really cute. I really like how now all the designs or the colors change every month. It's really nice. And we have a Rowney FW ink, probably acrylic ink, and this one is Antelope Brown. I have a few of these inks. They're really nice. I don't have this color, luckily. Antelope Brown, that's interesting. We'll see. Probably doesn't look like this. There's a lot of green. That it looks green here, but once I take it out, it's probably a different color. Anyway, what else do we have? Oh, okay. We have a Super Color 2 Caran d'Ache. It's a watercolor pencil. Since I have the whole line, I most likely have this color already, but that's okay. They're awesome pencils. They're very soft and they dilute really well. And then we have an acrylic brush by Simmons, sorry. It's an 8 round, it's a big one. And a Tombow, anything else written in English? Calligraphy, I always have a hard time saying this word. Calligraphy pen. Alright, so there's 2 sides. There's a fine rubber tip, it looks like. And oof. Okay, another. Oh, I think it's gray, black and gray. Let's try. I want to know. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. It's very soft. This one feels a little harder for some reason. Alright, I think that's it. I'm gonna see if they're waterproof. So let me get my watercolor brush, my water brush, I mean. If I can figure out where I put it. Still have water in there. Haha. Okay. I think they are waterproof. Nice. Let me check the gray again. Yeah, it feels like the gray tip is slightly softer than the black tip. Anyway, that's what we have. And wow, am I gonna make a portrait of Sherry on this tiny surface here? I don't know, I'll probably get a bigger one. Brown, gray, black, and green. Woo, let's see what we can do with that. I'm sorry to say, but there's been a change of plans. I won't get into details, but basically I'm not going to draw Sherry's portrait. She asked me to pick another winner. However, and I'm even more sorry, I won't be able to do that because I really don't have time right now. So this month, sadly, I won't be drawing anybody's portrait. But I'm gonna have another giveaway soon, so if you want me to draw your portrait with the surprised supplies from next month's Artsnacks box, then you'll be able to sign up. Now back to the supplies. As I was testing them out, I noticed that the ink was kind of odd. I shook the bottle to mix the pigment, and when I tried to take a little bit of ink out of the bottle, nothing came out of the pipette. So I figured that there was actually something stuck inside of it. As I was squeezing the little puffy thing at the end of it, something started coming out, some pasty thing, and it was really weird because it was just slowly coming out, kind of like a little worm. But I did some cleaning. It's probably some kind of residue or some minerals. I'm not sure what this ink is made with, if it's all natural minerals or something, I don't know. But it took me a little while. In the end, I just took a toothpick and poked through it, and then the ink was able to go through it. That said, the color is really beautiful. It goes from a warm yellow to a very dark brown, almost black. The pencil is, there's no surprise for me there, the pencil is absolutely gorgeous. It's very creamy and it blends very, very nicely with water. And now I'm not sure if it's because of the watercolor paper, but the Tombow pen was actually water soluble. I'm assuming, because when I tried it on another paper, it looked like it was waterproof. I'm assuming that if you use it on watercolor paper, you're gonna have to wait a while till it dries for it to be waterproof. In fact, I just tested it right now. I took that little sample paper and I put some water on the word Tombow, and it actually is waterproof. So make sure you wait long enough for the ink to dry before you put anything on it if you don't want it to smudge. But as you can tell on my little painting here, this is not what I did, and I took advantage of the fact that while wet it was water soluble, and I used it as another color. I used it with my brush, and I used the gray and later on the black, and I spread the color, and it was really useful. I really like the supplies in this month's box. I enjoyed working on that paper. It's lovely paper. When you actually hold it in your hands, it doesn't even feel like paper. It feels like some thick cloth. I don't know how to explain, but it was very, very nice working on this. I'll have to test it with actual watercolors, and the ink was very nice as well because it has such a nice range of colors. I was able to do a whole cat portrait with this color without using any other colors except for the green for the eyes. But just adding layers, letting them dry, and adding more layers, I get a beautiful range of values. I actually had so much fun that I used all 3 pieces of paper and did 3 cats. You'll see at the end of this video, I'll show you the 2 other cats. Oh, and I really like the brush as well. I never thought I'd be painting a tiny little cat portrait like that with a number 8. But the point is so nice. I was able to add all the details I wanted to add. So yeah, I'm really pleased with all these supplies. I had a lot of fun, really. One thing though, in the end I cheated and I added some gouache for the whiskers and the highlights in the eyes. But that's it. It's just to finish my portrait because I didn't want to put some black whiskers on, although I used the gray of the Tombow pen for some of the whiskers and hairs. So that's about it. Sorry again there was no portrait of the winner this month. I really wish I had enough time to draw another winner and make the portrait of that new winner. But instead you're getting that little cat, and I hope you like it anyway. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.